Welcome students. Myself MB Jagnade. I will teach you the subject biology. First, you must know the syllabus of biology subject. I already sent you a textbook of biology in PDF format on your WhatsApp group. Today I will tell you the syllabus and reduced portion for the session 2021. In 11th science, biology subjects total 16 chapters are included. The first chapter is living world. From this chapter 1.2 herbarium, 1.3 botanical gardens, 1.4 museum, 1.5 zoological parks, 1.6 biodiversity parks, 1.7 key. So these portions are deleted from the first chapter living world for the session 2021. Now the next chapter, chapter 2, systematics of living organisms. From this chapter 2.1 systematics, 2.2 classification, 2.3 three domains of life, 2.4 chemotaxonomy, 2.5 numerical taxonomy, 2.6 cladogram, 2.7 phylogeny, 2.8 DNA barcoding, 2.9 taxonomic categories, 2.10 taxonomic hierarchy, 2.11 units of classification, and 2.12 nomenclatures. So these portions are deleted for the session 2021 from the second chapter systematics of living organisms. Now the next chapter, chapter 3, kingdom plantae. From this chapter angiospermy portions is deleted. 3.3b angiospermy. Now the next chapter, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6. Chapter 4 kingdom animalia, chapter 5 cell structure and organization, chapter 6 biomolecules, chapter 7 cell divisions. So this kingdom animalia, cell structure and organization, biomolecules and cell divisions. So these chapter are remain as it is. No portion is deleted from this chapter. Chapter 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the next chapter, chapter 8, plant tissue and anatomy. From this chapter 8.1 tissue, 8.2 meristematic tissue, 8.3 permanent tissue, 8.4 tissue systems, 8.5 secondary growth in plants, 8.6 wood, 8.7 cork cambium and secondary growth. So these portions are deleted from the chapter 8 plant tissue and anatomy. Now the next chapter is chapter 9. Chapter 9 morphology of flowering plants. From this chapter 9.1 angiosperms, 9.2 morphology, In morphology, root, stem, leaf, fruit and seeds. So these portions are deleted. 9.3 family Fabaceae. So all these portions are deleted from the chapters 9 morphology of flowering plants. Now the next chapter, chapter 10, that is animal tissue. So from this animal tissues, no portions is deleted. This chapter is remain as it is. Now the chapter 11, study of animal type. Example, cockroach. From cockroach, 11.3 external morphology, 11.4 body cavity, 11.5 digestive system of cockroach, 11.6 circulatory or blood vascular system, 11.7 respiratory or tracheal system, 11.8 excretory system, 11.9 nervous system, 11.10 reproductive systems. So all these systems of cockroach are deleted for the sessions 2021. Now the next chapter is chapter 12, photosynthesis. So chapter 12 and chapter 13, photosynthesis, and 13 respiration and energy transfer. So these chapters are remain as it is, no portion is deleted, chapter 12 and 13. Now the next chapter, chapter 14, human nutrition. So from this chapter, 14.1 human digestive system, 14.2 digestive gland, 14.3 physiology of digestion, 14.4 absorption and assimilation, 14.5 nutritional disorders and diseases of digestive system. So these portions are deleted from the chapter 11, human nutrition. The next chapter, chapter 15, excretion and osmoregulations. So no portions is deleted from this chapter, excretion and osmoregulations. Now the last chapter, chapter 16, skeleton and movements. From this chapter, 16.1 movements and locomotion, 16.8 skeletal system, 16.9 group of skeleton, 16.10 type of joints, 16.11 disorders related to muscles, and 16.12 disorders related to bones. So these portions are deleted from the chapter 16, skeleton and movements. So students, this is the reduced portions of your syllabus for the session 2021. I have already sent you the textbook of biology in PDF format. Thank you.